Hey kindergartners, we're going to talk about some phonics, and if you look on my screen, you can see that I have knit A and O. I want you to sing with me. A for apple, let's do O. O for octopus, or O for opera. I forgot, it's been so long since we sang that. In kindergartner, I want to see if you remember some short A word families. We did like at, like in cat, fat, and bat, and rat, cap, and tap, and rap, and map. Oh my goodness, and we also did am, like in ham and jam. And then we did an, like Dan and van and pan and ran. Those were the short A word families we did. We also did some short O word families. We did the op, ot, and ock. Let me see. If Mrs. Books pulls down this M and put, what word did she just make? Help me stretch it. Mop. Good job. And if Mrs. Books pulls down the letter B, let's pull this one down. B. Let's see what we got. Come on, B. There we go. Let's stretch it out. Ready? But. Good. And if Mrs. Books pulls this R down right in front of our ack, let's see what we have. C and K go together to make one sound, K, at the end, and C goes first because it comes in the alphabet first. That's its spot. It goes first. Ready? Here we go. R, A, K. Snap it together. Rack. Good job. I got another screen right here. It's going to take just a second. There it is. Can you help me stretch these out? Here we go. Ready? Am. Ham. Good. I'm going to put my H back. And if I down the letter J, there it is. Can you stretch that one for me? Ready? Jam. Excellent. Now, Mrs. Books is going to pull, we've got one over here. What do we have? Top. I'm just going to add another letter to this. This is a word you see on the street. I'm going to put a blender in front of this one. Ready? These two are going to make one sound. St. All right, let's do it. Ready? Stop. Snap it together. Stop. Hey, let me just pull those out of the way. I'm going to get another blender ready for you. Here we go. Ooh, there's an F. Let me get my L down. Let me get that closer. Hey, let's put that blender together. Ready? Full up. Snap it together. Flop. Now, I'm going to be really tricky because A and O are short vowels. But if I put this I here, let me get that out of the way. And let me put I right here. I know what you're thinking. I'm not putting my letters back where they belong. This one goes with flop. I just had to bring this one out today. Ready? Flip. Flop. Flip-flop. Soon, before we know it, even though it's snowing on my life today, that one will come to you. One more. Oh my gosh. Do you think you can stretch these words out for me? I bet you can. Ready? Let's do it. Hat. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change this. I'll put it back where it belongs. And I'm going to keep the beginning, but I'm going to ending. All right? And I am going to change our ending to this letter. Oh my goodness. App. Not a real word, an alien word, or it could be a word part of happen, but it's just a part. Let me move my P over there. Oh, let me see. Here's a sight word I bet you know. Had. good job. Let's go back to the O. Ready? Ah, in the middle. Ah, p. Mop. Mrs. Brooks doesn't want to mop. She wants to hop. Can you think about what letter I need to grab? I gotta steal it from over here. Yep, there it is. Hop. Oh, and Mrs. Brooks really wants it to get hot. Let's see what sound I need. Ready? Ha, ah, t, t, t. Did you know it was a T? Excellent. Boys and girls, if you want some work today, I'd like you to think of some short A or short O words that you could write. And that might be something fun to write some rhyming words with our short vowels. Also, there's a short vowel game where you roll a dice and you read the words. A makes two sounds, A makes two sounds, A and A. A and A makes two sounds, A makes two sounds, A and A. E makes two sounds, E makes two sounds, A and E, A and E. A for everyone, E for eagle, A and E. Boys and girls, I hope you have a great time playing the game I made you. Thanks. See you soon.